I mean, let's be honest. If they truly knew what you were up against right now, they would be wondering how you were still smiling, how you were still doing the things you're doing. That says a hell of a lot about you. I mean, come on now. We're going to turn them I can'ts into I can. Because you will get through this. And understand that this was not meant to break you. You were strong enough to withstand this. Others would have crumbled. But look at you. You're doing one hell of a job.